Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here, and I finally have a chance to unbox my Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And if you guys remember when I got my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, since I pre-ordered it, the Buds 4 were part of the package. Normally they're $250. I got $208 off because of the pre-order, so that was pretty awesome. And I've told you guys in the past that I love my Galaxy Buds Pro 2 and my other pair of Galaxy Buds that I had even before that. So I'm expecting I'm going to love these also.
All right, let's do it.
Let's get them out of the box. Nothing else in the box but the buds themselves. Now these do have a Samsung proprietary codec, which I guess means when you're listening with other phones that are not Samsung, they're not going to sound quite as good as when you're using a Samsung phone. So they look like quality, higher quality than they've had in the past, that's for sure. Yeah, these are made of metal and less plastic, so of course they're more premium. So let's try putting them on. So these didn't come with extra ear tips, but I gather the fit is much better than in the past. I'm going to pair these with my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I gather the reason you don't need extra ear tips is they have these newly designed canal fit ear tips, and I have to tell you, they feel really, really good in my ear. It doesn't feel like they're going to come out at all. So let's go try the sound test. Got a little spiral driver on tap. Oh, that sounds really, really good. So just wanted to give it my first test. I can tell you right off the bat, they're fitting in my ears extremely well. They feel very comfortable. So they come with these canal fit air tips, and boy, they feel really good in my ears. Doesn't seem like anything's going to slip out at all. I can see why you don't need extra ear tips. Boy, the bass sounds really, really awesome. And I'm hearing the sax. The highs are very, very nice. So I have a feeling I'm going to enjoy these. So far, right off the bat, these may be the best earbuds I've tested from Samsung ever. Today I'm going to take them out on my bicycle ride, so I'll let you know how that is, and I will be testing them against other phones that are not Samsung, see if I can tell you the difference. So as soon as I connect them, they show up right there, and we seem to have a complete app for the Buds 4 Pro. They came in at 100%, the case is at 99%. As you can see, we've got off ambient sound, adaptive and active noise canceling. You can auto switch the ambient sound off. You've got earbud controls here, left and right. Answer call, decline call. Head gestures, you can turn that on. And then you can control your sound quality and effects. Manage connections, and you have advanced features. So just wanted to give you guys a good idea. I like the fact that that whole app is there as soon as you connect them. So that's it for now, guys. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.